quick video on how to watch the Big Ten Network with Sling TV. Not sure if this is a glitch or what's happening here, but this does kind of go in line with something that was announced back at Big Ten Media Days, that the Big Ten president of the Big Ten Network got up on stage and listed Sling TV as one of the providers. Now, Sling TV quickly came back and said, oh no, we have no plans to add the Big Ten Network, not happening, not true. But several reporters did report that that was in progress. But now it seems like your Sling TV login is working with Fox Sports Go to stream the Big Ten Network. You can see right here, I'm logged in with Sling TV. I'm on foxsports.com. Fox Sports Go, or foxsportsgo.com is the web address here. This does seem to also work with the Fox Sports Go apps on many players. But let's click on the Big Ten Network here. Wait a moment. Big Ten Kickoff Luncheon 2017. You see it says live. Wait for it to actually play. There we go. And we're actually playing. So let me go back here. So yes, so you can watch the Big Ten Network with Sling TV. Well, why that's happening, I don't know. But it is happening. So maybe it's a glitch. Maybe we're seeing it early. Sling TV seems to say that that is a glitch. So, though, if you want to have it, that's how it's working right now. Questions, comments, let me know. Just wanted to do a quick video here to show you what's happening with Big Ten Network on Sling TV.